Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my cousin's garage looking today at the Genie excelerator garage door opener. Sorry guys, my little cousins were just like playing in the house, that's all. I think you must have heard my little cousins shouting in the house. This opener is really fast, and it does have a wall button way over there, right next to that white door. All right, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener with this Genie remote. And here we go. It is really fast. It is pretty fast. Alright, now let's go ahead and close the garage door from the outside viewing, and here we go. Now let's open it back up. Pretty fast, isn't it? All right, now let's go ahead and close the garage door with the remote. And here we go. All right, now let's go ahead and operate the, actually, before I operate the garage door opener with the wall button, I'm going to show you the light button. It does have the little button is for the light. Sorry, my phone was kind of blurry. Okay, so, yeah, I know the, I know it has, I know it has a light button. Sorry, I was a little bit tired. By the way, it does have a light button in case if you want to turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door. Okay, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time with the wall button, and here we go. I know it's moving quite fast. It does have a keypad outside, but I'm not going to use the keypad. By the way, it does have an emergency release rope, but there is no emergency release handle. Alright, now let's do one final close and then that will be it. It moves pretty slow when it's closing the garage door. Alright. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.